Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mao showing us another study tool today called Quizlet. Now today we'll be talking about the usefulness and purpose of using Quizlet. So let me start by going home. Now as you can see, there are some recent ones I've been using, and these are pretty much kind of uploaded by me and some I have found online. All you would do is just type in what you're looking for, and from there you can actually go in and look at a bunch of different people's works. Now, there's an option of keeping this public and keeping it private. So, going off of this example, we can actually narrow down our view. Okay, so this is all, which is a bit overwhelming at first. However, if we go into flashcard sets, we can actually see here that some teachers have actually created or uploaded their work, and actually the AI on this website has turned them into vocab. Now, we can preview it, we can study it, and as you can see here, you can do a live Quizlet, things such as Blast, which is gamifying it a lot like Kahoot in a Jeopardy style. We have Match, which is matching the word to what the meaning is. Categories, Checkpoint. For in-class review, we have flashcards. We have Learn, so it uses the AI within this to essentially build a practice test, and then we also have test, which can actually be used for an assessment. And then there's Blocks. Blocks is kind of using it in a way that you answer a question correctly and it'll earn block pieces. So kind of like bingo. So if we go into here, we can also go in and actually change things as adding teams or how many students you have, where it's individualized. It's really pretty open, pretty easy to use. Now, if we go back to home here, and I'll click on one that I have made myself. So as you can see here, it says save, share, which is pretty easy to share with students via social media or whatever your classroom uses. You can also email it, so if you don't have a learning management system, you can just send them the link directly. So all this has actually been uploaded, and it does this magic thing, and this is what it got from my upload, right? It is an overview, right? So may not be as, say, thorough as like doing it yourself, but it does help. And if it wasn't as big of a file and it was much more, I would say, explicit in what I upload, then you would have not as much stuff. But as you can see here, it's an overview, an introduction, key topics, grade levels, learning objectives, instructional strategies, importance of the unit, goals for the students, big goals. So, even does my unit calendar, and here are more things. So here's another example. So if we go in here, we can go into something created by me. Sorry about that. We'll go into categories. This one we can actually make a quiz, study guides, and practice test. So go in here and it just uses an AI to generate a little thing. But we won't deal with that now.